Hi, we are assignment group 5 of lab group SS10. And as you can see below, these are our group members and they are listed in order of our presentation. So as for some information about our project, so for the cineplexes, we have 3 cineplexes, which are Lot 1, Jewel, and Clementi Mall. And as for cinema, we have Cinema 1, 2, and 3. Cinema 1 and 2 are both normal cinemas, while Cinema 3 is a platinum movie suite. Moving on to movie show times, we have only pre-populated 3 days worth of movies. For Sunday, 13th November is a weekend. For Monday, which is 14th November, is a weekday. And for Tuesday, which is 15th November, is a holiday. So moving on to how our group is doing the movie pricing. So as you can see, there are 3 categories of customers, which are child, adult, and senior citizen. And on the left side, you can see that there are 3 types of days, which are weekday, which is the base, weekend, as well as holiday. For weekday, the base price for child and senior citizen are both $6, while it is $9 for adult. For weekends, it's $12 across the board. And as for holidays, there's a $4 discount off the weekday base prices. There are also additional surcharges. For movie type of blockbuster, there's a surcharge of $1. And for movie type 3D, there's a surcharge of $2. There's also a surcharge for cinema type, where Platinum Movie Suite is a surcharge of $3 extra. So to give you an example, an adult watching a 3D movie in the Platinum Movie Suite on a holiday will actually need to pay $9, which is the base price for adult, plus $2, which is the surcharge for 3D movie, plus $3 for the surcharge for Platinum Movie Suite, minus $4 for holiday discount.
Hello, I will now be showing how Scenario 1 pans out for our application. So we start up in the startup class first, where it has the main menu and it will prompt us whether we are a staff or a customer. And since I am going to show how to log in as an admin, I will type in 0 and key in the required details. So if we key in the correct details, it will show us the staff menu. So from here, we are able to see the top 5 ranking of movies by ratings and also the tickets and also by tickets sold. So I'll show how that works. So if you were to choose by review ratings, it will show from the lowest to highest. And we can see that Come Back Home is the highest, while Homecoming being the lowest. Same thing for by ticket sale also. I'll just have to type in 5 and it will show us from lowest to highest as well. So now let's say I would like to create a new movie listing. Okay, so I'll just have to type in 1 here. And I'll have to create movie listing. And let's name this movie Cat Dog. And I'll key in the values as required. Let's put it as 1311. Let's put it as 1500 hours. I can choose to add more showtimes if I want to, but I'll just return. I'll just put in 1 showtime for this movie listing. I'll return, and I'll key in the other values that is required. Let's put synopsis test, director test, and also the number of cast members where we need at least 2. I'll just key in accordingly. Cast 1, cast 2. So if we are able to actually create the object, the application will return us all of the attributes of the object that we've just created. So we can see, just to show you that this is all correct, what we've typed is all here now showing, and we also see this 1500 hours. So let's say I made a mistake in the timing and I want to change the cinema show time. So let's update movie listing, and which is movie number 7. And let's say at movie number 7 we want to update, right? We want to update Cat Dog, right? We want to change that. So let's update cinema show time. Let's remove the cinema show time, and we see 1500 hours we will remove, and we can add it back for cinema 1 where we put Sunday 13/11 for 1700 hours instead. So now I can return back, and if I were to view movie listing and I were to see all of the details of movie 7 which we just updated, we would see that the cinema show time has actually been updated to 1700 hours. So now let's say I want to remove the movie listing. Okay, so if you were to view movie listing, we can see that Cat Dog is still inside here, right? So let's say I want to remove the movie listing. So all I have to do is just type in 3 to remove movie listing, type in the movie number, and movie has been removed. So that's how it works. So now I'll be passing on to the next person.
Hi, I'm Zheng Han, and in this demonstration, I'll be a customer booking a movie. So firstly, I'll enter 1 for customer menu, and I do not know what movie I want to watch right now, so I will list every movie that's available to me. So these are the 6 movies that are available to me. And let's say I want to view more details about the movie Black Panther, number 2 on the list. So here we can see more details about movie Black Panther Wakanda Forever, title, type, show times, showing status, synopsis, and all that. So right now, I want to see the top 5 ranking movies by ratings and tickets sold before I make a choice. So option 4 for ratings. As you see here, sorted the ratings by lowest to highest. The highest on this list is Come Back Home with 5.0, and these other two also 5.0. Next, maybe I do not want to look only at the ratings. I want to see the tickets sold. So this will be option 5. And as you see here, sorted from highest to lowest, Black Adam has the highest number of tickets sold, 15, whereas the rest is a bit lesser. So now I made my decision and I want to book a seat, which is option 2 here. And the nearest Cineplex to me is lot 1. So I go option 1. And I would like to try the Platinum movie suite. So here are the available movies, and I decided to go for Homecoming, number 6. And let's say I want to watch it on a Monday night, Monday 14th of November, 9 p.m. So I choose option 2 for this showtime. And now I will be selecting the seat that I want to take. So let's say I want to sit in the middle. So it'll be around F4. So now it's booked, and I'll be entering my own personal details. My age 23, my name, mobile number, email, and there you go, confirm. And the price of ticket calculated is $12. So proceed with payment, yes, pay. And we see here the transaction ID as shown, and the time of purchase, which is right now. So now, if we look at booking history, since I just booked the ticket, it will prompt me for my name. So I'll type in my name. And then it will show me booking history, Homecoming, and the timing, which is just now. And so now it is permanently stored in the booking history. So that's all for this. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Boyang and I'll be the next presenter for today. So we'll log in as a staff first. Today what we're going to do is try to configure system setting to add a holiday. I'll be adding 15th of November as a holiday, and you can see that's added. Now we'll go back, log in as a customer, and we'll try to book a movie ticket. So for lot 1 Cineplex, Cinema 1, and we'll try to book Black Adam on Sunday, which is a weekend. Let's choose seat C1, enter my age, which is 30, fill in some random information. You can see the price of ticket is $13, and I'll proceed to payment. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you an example of trying to book a movie ticket for the holiday instead. So same thing, lot 1, Cinema 1, Black Adam, but instead of Sunday, I'm going to choose Tuesday instead, which is a public holiday. 30. So you can see this time for holiday, the price of ticket is actually $6 because of subsidies. So now I'll proceed to payment. Right, next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to staff, log in again, and I'm going to actually configure a movie to change the type to end of showing. Update movie listing. Actually, I'm actually going to update movie 6. I'm going to update the showing status, which is option 4. I'm going to update it to end of showing. Once that's done, I'm going to return back to staff menu, log out, try to go in as customer. So same thing, lot 1. Go to Cinema 3 and try to book Homecoming. And you can see for this time when I try to book Homecoming, there's no available show times. No available cinema show times because the movie is not showing in the cinemas anymore. Thank you.
Hey, hello, I'm Martin, and for my portion, I will try to book the movie and test it for someone who is a senior citizen to see the pricing difference. So I will try for Jewel. and I'll select Cinema 1, and I'll select Black Panther, which is a normal movie. I'll select Monday. As you can see, I will book a seat at J1. So as an elderly is above 54 years, so I'll put 57, name, mobile number, email, price will be $7. As you can see, there's a transaction ID and time of purchase. I'll book one more. So to test for the difference in price between elderly and adults. So choose a choice, same place. Black Panther, Monday. See, as you can see, the seats are marked. So I'll put beside it J2. H, I'll put 25 this time. It's $10 now, as you can see. So if I want to check on the history, can do that first for the elderly. As you can see, it's booked, timing, everything. So I will restart the code now to show that it saves the history. As you can see, it saves. So next, I will test on another type of movie, a 3D one. So the 3D movie will be Ajuma. Put it on Monday. So J3 this time. J1. H55. I have another name. It's $8 now, as you can see. The difference for movies pricing. So I will view the booking history. So yeah, it's properly set. So lastly, I would show for children, which should be the same price as elderly. So show you one more time that it saves. Yes, and it saves. So now I will book for I'll choose a different movie this time. A blockbuster, Black Adam. Same date. The A1 this time. But this time the age will be 10. $7, different. It's the same for the elderly, but different from the adults. And as usual, the booking history. There.
Hi, I'm Lo Sin Teng, and now I'll be demonstrating buying a ticket for a platinum movie theater. So firstly, I enter one for customer. Now I've already decided on movies, so I'll search whether it's available. Yep, it's available. So now I'll go ahead and book the seats. So I'm choosing the third Cineplex and choosing the platinum movie suite. Now I will choose the movie that I want and the show time and pick a seat, enter my age, my name, and a mobile number, as well as my email. So the price of a ticket is $13. And now that I've confirmed, I get a transaction ID and time of purchase receipt. Now I will check back on my booking. So I click view booking history. And here it's shown that I have booked the movie successfully. Now I want to add a review after watching the movie. So I choose the movie to review and enter my rating. And it is a family-friendly movie, so that's what I'll type. And done. So my review and rating is added.